Thunderstorm was located over Burbank, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Hammond, Oak Lawn, Irwin, Calumet City, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, Roseland, Midway Airport, South Lawndale, Burbank, Lansing, Harvey, Blue Island, Dalton, Alfred, Justice, and Summit. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 283 and 288. Interstate 57 between mile markers 351 and 358. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 59 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 59 and 74. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. This includes St. Kick Stadium and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI 41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather.
I was expecting that, but I wasn't expecting the 70 mile an hour winds.